Number 10. Badgers are solitary animals and typically live alone rather than in family groups. They are known to be territorial and will defend their burrows from other badgers. While they may share a den with their young during the breeding season, they do not form long-term family units like some other animals do. Each badger usually maintains its own territory, marked by scent markings, and interacts with other badgers primarily for mating purposes. Number 9. Badgers are primarily nocturnal and spend a significant portion of their time underground. They typically emerge from their burrows at night to forage for food, such as insects, small mammals, fruits, and roots. During the daytime and in unfavorable weather conditions, they retreat to their underground burrows for shelter and safety. These burrows, known as setts, can be extensive and may have multiple entrances and chambers where badgers rest and rear their young. Number 8. Badger setts, the underground burrow systems where badgers live, can indeed be quite old and are often passed down through generations of badgers. Over time, these setts can become extensive, with multiple chambers and entrances. They provide shelter and protection for badgers from predators and the elements. As badger families grow and expand, they may modify and enlarge their setts, sometimes resulting in complex networks of tunnels and chambers underground. Number 7. In the wild, badgers typically have a lifespan of around 2 to 3 years, although some may live up to 5 years or more if conditions are favorable and they are not subject to predation, disease, or other threats. However, in captivity or under human care, badgers can live longer, with lifespans of 5 to 8 years not uncommon. Number 6. Badgers vary in size and weight depending on their species and geographical location. Here are some general characteristics for the most common badger species. Eurasian badger, Meles meles. Length, typically 60 to 90 centimeters, 24 to 36 inches. Weight, usually between 7 to 13 kilograms, 15 to 29 pounds. American badger, Taxidia taxus. Length, typically 40 to 70 centimeters, 16 to 28 inches. Weight, usually between 5 to 9 kilograms, 11 to 20 pounds. Honey badger, Mellivora capensis. Length, typically 55 to 77 centimeters, 22 to 30 inches. Weight, usually between 9 to 16 kilograms, 20 to 35 pounds. These measurements can vary within each species based on factors such as age, sex, health, and environmental conditions. Additionally, populations in different regions may exhibit slight variations in size and weight. Number 5. The terminology for male and female badgers follows a similar pattern to that of pigs. Male badgers are called boars, female ones are called sows, and young badgers are called cubs. The name badger comes from the French word bêcheur, which means digger. Number 4. Badgers can run or gallop at speeds of around 25 to 30 kilometers per hour, 16 to 19 miles per hour, for short bursts. In North America, interactions between badgers and coyotes vary, with some instances of mutual hunting or neutral behavior observed. While there are occasional reports of badgers and coyotes preying on each other, they have also been observed hunting together cooperatively in some cases. I hope you're enjoying this video. Before we get to the top 3, please could you take a moment to like and subscribe to my channel, as it would be a great help. Number 3. There are 11 recognized species of badgers. American badger, Taxidia taxus. European badger, Meles meles. Honey badger, Mellivora capensis. Hog badger, Arctonix colaris. Asian badger, Meles leucurus. Japanese badger, Meles anacoma. Chinese ferret badger, Melagale muscata. Javan ferret badger, Melagale orientalis. These species vary in size, habitat, and geographic distribution. Number 2. Alloparental care is a behavior observed in various animal species, including badgers. In badger communities, adults may assist in caring for and raising the young, even if they are not the biological parents. This behavior contributes to the overall survival and well-being of the offspring within the social group. Number 1. Badgers, through their burrowing activities and the disturbances they create in the soil around their setts, can have significant impacts on local ecosystems and plant biodiversity. The disruption of soil structure and composition can create microhabitats that are conducive to the growth of various plant species, including bryophytes like mosses, liverworts, and hornworts. These plants often thrive in environments with specific moisture and nutrient levels, and the conditions created by badger activity may provide suitable habitats for their growth and colonization. This illustrates how seemingly small-scale ecological interactions, such as those involving burrowing mammals like badgers, can have broader effects on ecosystem dynamics and biodiversity. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from the video, and we'll see you on the next one.